Ooh, look at those seats. What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here once again with another video just for you. And today we got a little something different, something that I haven't touched bases on yet, something that I've expressed that I love a lot about this car. And we're gonna do a review on the Recaro seats that's present in the current generation 2017 Focus RS. Unfortunately, here in America, we don't get the bucket seats. I would have loved to have them, but that wasn't an option. So we get the standard bucket seats. Excuse me, we don't get the shell seats. We get the bucket seats. So I would have loved to have the shell seats. Unfortunately, like I said, that wasn't an option, and I'm kind of glad I didn't get those shell seats in a way, because I absolutely love these bucket seats. So obviously I'm not the smallest guy myself, but I fit just fine in these seats. At first, when I first purchased this car, the seats were a little tight. I'm not gonna lie, they were tight. But as I put the miles on, about 1,000 miles in, I've noticed the seats started to get looser, and the seats started to feel much better. And overall, they broke in perfectly. Now I'm sitting at about 9,500 miles, and the seats are absolutely amazing. Now when I get in the passenger seat, occasionally, I rarely ever get in there, the seats are tight there. I'm not used to it. Those seats definitely aren't broken in yet. You could definitely tell that the seats have broken in nicely on this driver's side, but I'm not gonna lie, on the passenger seat, it's like a brand new car again. The bolstering on this vehicle is incredible. The thigh bolstering, the side bolstering, it holds your body tight. It holds you in around corners, just like it's designed to do so. They definitely didn't fall short with these seats. They did a phenomenal job. The stitching's beautiful. They have the Alcantara centers. They have the leather on the side. They have blue stitching throughout the whole car, really, but the stitching on these seats are phenomenal. The RS logo that they stitched in right there in the center of the seat looks great. The Recaro emblem that they stitched in looks fantastic. There's nothing that I can complain about these seats. The one thing that I wish were better is I wish the passenger side at least got a power seat, just like the driver's side. Besides that, the only other thing that I can really complain about that comes factory equipped with other vehicles that the RS doesn't come equipped with would have to be that the RS doesn't have cooled seats. But what do you expect? This is a sports car, a rally sport car at that. I know a lot of people complain about the seating position in the RS, but in reality, I actually like how the RS sits. You sit decently low to the ground. You don't sit the lowest, but you get a comfortable ride. You don't sit as low as what you would in a Type R. One thing that you don't get is you don't get that sporty feeling, but step on the pedal a little and you'll know it's a sport car. So a lot of people actually complain that the seat's a little angled. However, over time you definitely get used to it. So without a single doubt, I believe that Recaro did a fantastic job with these seats. Obviously, I've enjoyed every single mile that I've been in this driver's seat, all 9,500 miles of them. It's been comfortable. Road trips are fine. They don't give you a sore back. They don't give you sore hips. The driving position is perfect. There's really nothing to complain about. I absolutely enjoy these. Really, Recaro couldn't have done a better job. I really appreciate the blue stitching and all the extra efforts that they put into these seats. It really made a great difference. The seats look phenomenal. The seats are absolutely amazing. I can't stress it enough. I don't know what a lot of people are saying, that the seats are garbage. They are probably, like I mentioned, the best seat that I've ever sat in my entire life. Alright, you guys, so I find myself at a gas station once again, so unfortunately, it's time to conclude today's video, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the seats that are factory with the 2016 through 2018 Ford Focus RS. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I'm checking out.